Okay, hey guys. What? What's going on? Hi. Okay. Oh, you're gonna fall. Oh, you're gonna fall. I got you. I got you. Okay. He is so talkative. Anyway, hello all. What's up? How are you? No, that's my food, sorry. How are you today? Well, today is such a good day, you guys. Taylor Swift just announced that she's putting out an album, I think tonight is what it said. I could cry, but I'm not going to. Anyway, I'm about to eat. I figured I'd show you really quick what I'm gonna eat. So I made eggs mixed with like potatoes, mini potatoes, and then avocado, what is that called? Feta crumble, and then little pepper flakes, and then a piece of bacon. So that is my lunch of the day. We had smoothie bowls this morning. I didn't think to vlog it. I'll show you maybe tomorrow how I make them. But I have a whole long list of things I need to do today. Oh, I didn't turn that off. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I'm making this, and then I have a whole list of things that I need to do. I have, let's see, right here on my thing, it's like 10 things I already filmed, thankfully, so that is one thing that I don't need to get done. But I'm just gonna eat this really quick, and then I need to edit my video, post it, and then I need to go on with my errands. We will get a feel for the first Taylor Swift songs on my vlog. I don't know, because last time I did a listen with me video, maybe I'll do that again. I don't know if I should. Maybe I will. Like, you can't let me know because this is going up after it comes out. But anyway, I'm gonna eat. Life was all in it. Hi, it's the next day, and happy Taylor Swift Day 2.0 of 2020. Evermore came out today, and so we're doing a listen through. I've started filming a video earlier this morning, and I just didn't like it, so we're just doing it now in the vlog and I'll tell you my thoughts afterwards. We're going to listen through it all the way through. Jared already listened to it without me. Well, he did think I was listening to it upstairs filming, but anyway, still, should have waited, should have known better. I'm not making Kanye West jokes. I don't add him into my vlogs. Anyway, it's really bright, dang. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh, I'm wearing my, one of my Taylor Swift merches. I was wearing my folklore merch, but I got, sorry, the lighting keeps changing, but I got sushi sauce on it last night, so I need to wash that. I mean, it was just one drop, but I was like, well, I can't wear that now today. I wore it all day yesterday, so I wore, yeah, my Taylor Swift Eras shirt, like I said, and this is like kind of like folklore-y, like this jacket, you know, it's like woodsy, you think, yeah. And now we're going to stop and get some coffee maybe, and then we're going to go to some antique shops, well actually probably just one antique shop, and then we're going to walk around some neighborhood just to get some fresh air. It's Friday, and yeah, we just wanted to get out of the house and get some fresh air, like I said, and listen to this album. So that's what we're doing, and I also need to get stocking hangers at some point today, because I want to hang the stockings. It's getting too late. It's getting too close to Christmas. We need to do that. But I thought I'd vlog and tell you what's up, tell you my views on the album whenever I have some. I did listen to the first 3 songs and I really liked them. I liked Willow, and then I really liked Gold Rush, I think it was. But I'll report back after. Whoa. I love it. Oh. The Irish cream cold brew. Nobody No Crime is my favorite so far. So country, it reminds me of her like first album or second album. Or Carrie Underwood. Jared gave me that idea. It reminds me of like old Carrie Underwood. Ah! Now we're listening to Coney Island featuring the Nationals. Guys, guys, look how cute this little area is by the antique shop. These are where our favorite antique stores are. And just look. Yeah, and then look at the tree down there. I just love that. And then at night, I'm sure it's so beautiful. But here, I think that's it. Christmas stories by women. I like that. Look like the spoons your parents had. Fancy one. Okay, we're back in the car now. I want to finish my drink. This is actually really good. It's a little bit more subtle, less sweet than other, than like other, Starbucks drinks and like cold brew, cold foam things. But yeah, this jacket kept me so warm while we were out. I love it. But what was I going to say? What are we going home to do? I believe we are going home to get some more work done. I need to finish this vlog and do my drop for Foulmouth, and then I need to, what else? I think my brother and sister might be stopping over later, so that'll be nice. And yeah, I thought I'd mention that little update. We got one thing, but it came in two pieces. From the antique store. I'll show you when we get home. They're very cute. They're Jared's. I didn't find anything really for myself. Just saying. Yeah, I didn't find anything. I wanted to find like stockings or Christmas things. They had a lot of beautiful like vintage ornaments, as you could see, and it's a really nice shop. It's one of our favorite ones. It's like in a little downtown near us, and they have a bunch near us, but we just went to one today. And yeah, we love it because it's always really quiet, not a lot of people in there, which is always great. But yeah, so now we have like 30-minute drive to get home. We gotta finish listening to the Taylor Swift album because I need to keep going. We're only like halfway through, I think, not even, maybe, on the way here. And yeah, I'm so tired and I'm hungry. Are you hungry? All right, we're home now. I'm making tilapia for lunch because I have it, and I wanted to make sure that I use it. And I know for dinner, I think we're ordering something from our local restaurant and getting it delivered while my brother and sister are here. And yes, so let me show you. So I have the tilapia things right here, and then I put this like plant-based butter on it, and with garlic, I shredded up some garlic in this little thing, and then I'm going to make it on the air fryer actually. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add some chives or some green onion. So here I have my green onions that I always put in a plastic bag or else they get really bad fast. And then I just take them and I chop them with some scissors. And yeah, I love green onion on top of anything. I usually buy it because I eat it on top of I usually buy it because I eat it on top of cucumber, like for cucumber salads and stuff. But so yeah, I just, if you can see, I literally just take it and I chop like that. But then I also want to get this part of it. So I'm going to do the same thing here. And once I found out that you can use, I think, where did I see it? I think I honestly saw it in a movie. Someone doing it, and I was like, that's actually genius. Why am I slicing it with a freaking whatever? And I almost always wondered why your knife sets came with scissors. I thought it was just for like opening like stuff in your kitchen, but no, it is not. And now I'm going to add some salt. I keep in this little thing. Just a little bit of salt, not a lot, because I've been over salting things lately and I'm just like kind of over it. And then I'm going to add some, I'll do fresh peppercorn medley. Here. Maybe you can see that a little bit better. And then just a little bit of red pepper flakes, not a lot because I don't really want too much. But that is that, and then I'm going to set it in the air fryer here. Let's see. For about 10 minutes. Temp, let's see, 390, and then for, come on, for 10 minutes. We'll see when we're done. And then I think I'm going to make also this riced cauliflower. It's the dog food we have to put in there. But riced cauliflower, and we'll see. Mother of the missing piece of anything she lost. I didn't think oh yes. Look at those babies. Oh, here we go. Yum. It turned out great, and it was only 10 minutes in the air fryer. Wow. Thanks, Jared. Here's Jared's lunch. He started his own dinner lunch date. Let's see. Immaculate. Where's Kitty at? Where is Kitty at? Hi. You like sleeping back there, don't you? Okay, so this is what I'm picturing for over here. So I have those, and they're from Target last year, and I might just grab 2 more of these to put over here. So we need 5 stocking hangers, and then I want to put garland around this. So I'm either going to get real garland or fake. I'm not 100% sure. And yeah, so we're going to head to Target really quick before we go pick up my brother and sister, because I needed to get some stuff to bake for while they're here. But yeah, I'm wearing, I already showed you I think what I'm wearing. It's not the most flattering on me, but like that's fine. I'm going to wear that big jacket too. Oh, there he is now. Hi, baby.
Okay.
Felix, you gotta go in the pen.
Hey, buddy.
Here you go, baby doll. Oh, he's such a good boy. He's so good. We'll be right back. Okay. This is the coziest jacket ever. It's just so comfy. I found it thrifting a couple months ago, I believe. And it's just so comfy. It's actually reversible. It's like this green color on the other side, but I've only ever worn it like this just because I like the naturey woodsy look. But yeah, we're heading to Target really quick, just running in for a minute and then leaving. Wait, do I have my mask? Yeah, I do. My mask. Oh, when it's locked and he's inside and I have to wait. Oh, wait, why did it make that noise? Can you unlock, Mr. Sir? Alright. Okay, also my thoughts on the Taylor Swift album. I'm literally obsessed with it. It's slower than like folklore and stuff, but I actually really like that about it. I think it's going to be like a really nice like driving song and like album and like working background music to listen to. Love that. Ugh, I can get it on. But anyway, this jacket is like suffocating me whenever I'm sitting. But anyway, I'm gonna drink some more of my coffee too. Ready to go? Okay, you can't even see them.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, there we go. Jamie and Jake are here. We just picked them up. Jared, you can pause for a second if you don't want to drive like that. Okay, quick, 5 seconds. Taylor Swift album thoughts.
I love it.
10 out of 10.
Really?
I really listen.
Okay, never mind. We'll talk more about it at home.
It.
I like it too. It's vibey. Okay, we'll talk about it at home then.
Okay, bye.
So excited as Aunt and Uncle are here. Jamie, show off your outfit.
This is the outfit.
From?
This is Set Active.
Set
and same
Active.
with this. And then this
Oh,
one's-
it's one shoulder too. I love
Yeah.
that. So cute. Why do you look tan? Did you self tan?
No.
Wow,
I
you
look
look kind of tan, yeah.
It was color.
Oh man, he's so
I never wear
happy.
brown.
Really? Yeah, maybe that's it.
And this is from Aerie.
That's cute. That looks soft. Very cute. Okay, now folklore. No, evermore. Thoughts.
I really like it. I really like Willow.
Well, I like that too, and also I like the country look sounding song. I don't remember what it is. You didn't listen yet?
Like killing. I forget the.
We're so into it.
It's me and my cat's chilling.
It's me and my cash, but what? Sorry, I cut you off. What did you say?
I forget.
We're so bad at this. They're all getting loved on. Okay, wait. So before we sign off really quick, these are what we found at the antique store. They're these Abraham Lincoln like bust bookends. They're so cool. Jared's really into history and most presidents. And yeah, we're not sure where to put them. He put them there. Not quite where I would put them, but you know what? It's a start. And anyway, so I'm going to sign off here and say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next Vlogmas. Bye.